Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you own a Google Pixel, you already know the struggle. Every single time you want to root your device after an update, you have to hunt down a root file that perfectly matches your specific build number. It's a time-consuming, frustrating process. And if you get the wrong file, you risk a boot loop or a brick. Today that changes. I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest method to root your Pixel. We're using the GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro, the world's first tool to offer a server-based, one-click online root. I'll be rooting my Google Pixel 6a with a locked bootloader, and the entire process will take less than a minute. Let's get started. Before we connect anything to the computer, we need to set up our phone. First, go to your phone's settings, then About Phone, and tap on Build Number 7 times until you see the message that you are now a developer. Now, go back to the main settings menu, enter System, then Developer Options. In here, you need to enable 2 settings. OEM Unlocking. Flip that switch to On. USB Debugging. Enable that as well. With those 2 steps done, your phone is ready for the process. Make sure you have a good quality USB cable and connect your Google Pixel to your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Now, on your computer, head over to GSM6.com. On the home page, just type GSM6 Pixel Tool in the search box. You'll find the official article for the GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro. I'll have a link to this page in the description below. On that page, you can download the tool installer. It's a very lightweight file, just about 7.6 megabytes. But here's a crucial step many people miss: the USB drivers. The tool won't work without them. On the same article page, in the requirements section, you'll find a link to download the proper Google USB drivers. Install them and restart your PC to be safe. Once your drivers are installed, launch the GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro. The first thing I always do is click on the Read Info button under the ADB functions. This confirms that my phone is properly connected and the tool can communicate with it. You'll see your device model, build number, and IMEI pop up. This means we're good to go. Now for the main event, I'm going to click on the Root Online button under the one-click root options. Watch what happens. The tool immediately reads my phone's build number. Then it checks the GSM6 server database to see if a matching root file is available. And here's the magic. The tool finds it. It automatically sends the command to my phone to unlock the bootloader. My phone reboots into fast boot mode, and I just use the volume keys to confirm the unlock. The tool doesn't stop or give me an error. It handles this entire unlocking procedure automatically. Once the bootloader is unlocked, the tool automatically flashes the root file. It even removes firmware restrictions before flashing to ensure it works perfectly. And after that, it performs a data wipe automatically. I don't have to boot into recovery mode or do anything manually. It's all happening in real time. And just like that, my phone reboots. The entire process from clicking the button to the phone powering back on took less than a minute. When my phone boots back up, I see a new app in my app drawer, Magisk, but it's not fully active yet. To get it working, I simply re-enable USB debugging on my phone, since the data wipe reset it, and connect it back to the PC. Back in the GSM6 Pixel Tool Pro, I go to the ADB tab and click on Install Magisk. One click, and it does its job. Now I open the Magisk app on my phone. It asks me for a final reboot. I tap OK. My phone restarts one last time, and when it powers back on, there it is. I open Magisk, and it confirms. I have root access. The method worked perfectly. No manual searching for files, no complex commands, just a simple, online, one-click solution. So what makes this tool truly special? It's not just about the one-click root, it's the community-powered database behind it. The tool has a server backup feature. Here's how you can participate. If you ever use the direct root method, which is the offline method, the tool will ask you if you want to upload that root file to the server. By clicking Yes, you're contributing to the community. Your file will be verified and, within a few hours, become available for everyone else using the Root Online function. This is how we build a comprehensive database that benefits every Pixel owner. In my next video, I will provide a complete detailed guide on exactly how you can use the server backup feature to contribute your own root files. I'll walk you through the direct root method, how to extract your firmware, and how to submit it to the server to help the entire Pixel community. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that tutorial. Thanks for watching.